Hello everybody, Nelson Vergel here with discountedlabs.com and ExcelMale.com. Today I'm going to go through a few of my favorite, I would say gadgets or equipment or accessories for anybody that is on testosterone replacement therapy or even hCG or taking even an anastrozole, Clomid, all the other stuff that we use along with testosterone replacement. First of all, I love this little, and most of them are on Amazon, by the way. I love this little mini fridge. It's very tiny. Let me see if I can see a comparison. Yeah, you can see here a few small bottles of products, and it's very small. You can see here, yeah, a relative how big or small it is. And it doesn't cool all the way. Like, it's not a great cooler for like soft drinks like they show here, but it's a great cooler for vials and preloaded syringes of hCG or even Trimix, any water base. You don't have to really refrigerate testosterone oils like cypionate or anthate. Really, that's you don't have to worry about that. But it's a really good little cooler for you to keep it in the in the bathroom, so you don't have to go to the kitchen to find your syringes, etc., etc. It's a lot more private, especially if you have family, etc. So love it. Been using it for a while. I had an old one that broke down after 3 years. This one in particular is very, it's not loud. The motor is actually pretty quiet, so I really like it. And yeah, I think it's it's $50. So I'm gonna go to the next one. This is an insulin syringe carrier, like a pen. So you can carry that if you're going on trips for hCG or for Trimix or anything that requires a preloaded, you can preload the syringe and keep it there. And, even if you have to inject at work. So that's pretty cool. It's cheap, $13. You can order different colors, etc., etc. So that's pretty basic. This one is even a little cooler, no pun intended. It's actually a carrier insulin protector case. They call it Insulin Cooler. But basically you can put two vials here, or three, I think. Yeah, two. Of, if you use hCG and Trimix, for instance, water-based, you can put them here. It's got a gel. This thing is kind of a gel pack that you put it in the fridge, in the refrigerator or the freezer, and you stick it here. And also outside you have space for, in this pocket here, space for syringes. So I've traveled a lot with this. Nobody bothers you, even at the airport security. If they ask me what it is, I just say it's insulin, and they really don't ask. So pretty cool. Keeps your stuff cool. For at least if you have to cross the Pacific for sure, or the Atlantic, it would do the job. So it's a good little gadget. This pill cutter, there's nothing better. If you want to, I don't take an anastrozole, but some of you guys do, and you can cut the pills, a bunch of them actually, in small pieces at once. Also very cheap. I think it's $30. So pretty cool. I mean, I learned all this stuff from you guys actually on ExcelMale. They share all the gadgets and stuff, but I say, hey, I'm gonna make a video, and I'm not really selling anything today, to be honest with you. So this little, sorry, let me go directly. This little guy here, it's something I haven't used. I just ordered, but some of my guys on ExcelMale share this. It's a multi-dose vial adapter that you stick on the vial to get the needle to really just approach the rubber stoppers, so you don't miss all that little bit of testosterone or nandrolone or whatever you're using, or hCG, that is at the bottom when you flip the vial upside down. So let's see how it works. Everybody kind of seems to like it. It's cheap. I ordered because I think you can only use it once. So I ordered a bunch. They're $1.67 on Stomabags. Kind of a weird name for a website, but that's it. So let me see what else I have here. Yeah, I buy as you guys, some of you know, I use insulin syringes to inject oil-based products like testosterone, cypionate. and I injected 90 degrees on my shoulders. You can also do it under the skin subcutaneously. There's good data on that. We don't have to really inject deep tissue in the glutes anymore or the quads. So this is where I use a box, usually order 27 gauge, 1 cc, half an inch. They are good enough. It takes a little while to suck up the testosterone from the vial, but really, not that long. I mean, less than a minute, especially if you're using twice a week injections of 50 or 75 milligrams each. Not a big deal. Whole box for $17, 100 syringes, or a few bags, yes, of 100 total. So that's yeah. So here, obviously, I'm promoting my site, Discounted Labs. I sell blood testing all over the country except in New York, New Jersey, and Rhode Island, unfortunately. So you can, you can hit here, start here, so you know the process. You can choose a test based on the name by clicking on the letters, or you can go to lab panels. I created different panels, all kinds of panels, a lot of testosterone panels to TRT panels, and you can actually compare. Let's say, let me see, let me pick one that is popular, TRT, yeah, the TRT panel here. I click compare, and then let's compare to this complete hormone panel, right? So basically, you have you click and you compare the two panels, what they contain, how many lab tests or what type of lab tests are contained. Obviously the pricing, which is not, well, $30 difference, but you can tell how much more you get on the complete hormone and wellness panel. So you can compare at least, I think, 5 at the same time. So that's something I just created to make it easier. I think hopefully you guys will like it. Yeah, if you're looking for a doctor, you can fill out this form, and I email it to different clinics that will email you directly to ask you, what you need, what you want, and give you some prices. What else I have here? Oh yeah, resources. I clicked. This is my latest book, 386 pages. It's basically a slideshow. It's very graphic, graphs and tables about testosterone and peptides, nandrolone, oxandrolone, you name it. So click it here. I mean, it's free, man. I'm just giving it away for free so that people will finally learn this stuff. I have no idea why it's taking this long. Obviously, my forum, which is ExcelMale, my books on Amazon, you can click on that, and there is a group for women for discussing HRT in women on Facebook. So let me click real quick. I already clicked to this one. Click on ExcelMale. You can go to the forum. You can register there too. Excuse me. Clicking on the Facebook group for women. I'm not really forgetting about women, by the way. I mean, women need a lot of help too. So this is a great group. I'm very proud of this group. How many people do we have now? Almost 2,600, and they're like 30 people a day. So I'm very proud of that. My testosterone, Beyond Testosterone book, just fill this simple form out. You get a bunch of stuff. This is where I put all my brain, and I'm giving it away for free. I don't really want to sell it so that we can get some knowledge out there. And these are my books that I've written in Spanish and English. So there for a plug. So, well, thank you so much, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a cool stuff that you can buy that will make your life easier. All right, bye-bye.